I'm John Mitchell. Among other things, I am the product manager for our data analysis tools that we call DataSpy. And today I'm going to give a short presentation on a change we decided to make a few months ago to integrate our DataSpy data analysis tool inside of VehicleSpy. And you might wonder, why is there a separate application right now to have data analysis that's not inside of VehicleSpy? And the reason for that is that DataSpy was made to be a cloud-based tool to run on a web browser. It's a main component within our cloud-based data logging system we call Wireless Neovi. But it's such a great tool for analyzing data, we wanted to integrate it in with VehicleSpy. And you can run it on a PC as well as on a browser because it has a PC version that uses embedded Chrome to simulate a browser even in the PC environment. And that's how we're using it with VehicleSpy. And to date, we've sold DataSpy PC, the PC version of DataSpy, as a standalone application with a price of around $2,300. And we decided to integrate it with all versions of VehicleSpy without having any extra license fees for any version of VehicleSpy. So with that, I'll show, I'm kind of assuming that the people watching this video have some basic familiarity with VehicleSpy. And so here I have the login page of VehicleSpy open. So I'm going to start by opening up a VS3 zip file, which has several messages decoded inside the platform. And so I've opened that, and now I'm going to go to review buffer to load in a VSB file into VehicleSpy. And this file has the message data for these three signals: engine speed, vehicle speed, and throttle. And you can tell which messages are decoded by the plus sign that's shown here. So if you click on the plus, you can see the signals that are contained in this message that are also decoded in the setup. So here, this message called engine, vehicle speed, throttle, it has these two messages in there. And then here is a message called brake system features. It has vehicle speed in it. And so what's new is we have this extra button here in the toolbar called DataSpy. And if you click this button, it will automatically launch DataSpy, and DataSpy will generate an MF4 file from the decoded data that is in your messages view, and it stores it in the Windows temp folder, and it shows you only the signal data in this channels list here. DataSpy is designed to analyze signal data, decoded signal data, not raw message data. So here I can select these three signals and drag and drop them onto the plot area, and you can see vehicle speed is in red here. It goes up to around 40 kilometers per hour, back to 0, and up. It kind of has kind of a sinusoid shape here. This is about 60 seconds worth of data, and it's coming from my data that's in my messages view. So now if I go back to messages view and I open a new file in review buffer, so I'll grab the second file and open it and choose the defaults. Now it's loaded new data into the buffer in VehicleSpy. If I go back to DataSpy, it still has the old file in here. It hasn't updated it yet. In order to update it, you need to click on the DataSpy button again. So now you click on the DataSpy button, and it will make a new MDF file and load that automatically into DataSpy. So now here you could see that the vehicle speed is following a different pattern than it was before when the old file was loaded. And this works well if you have multiple monitors on your PC. You can have the DataSpy screen on one side and VehicleSpy on the other, so you can quickly load new data and update DataSpy. And if you're familiar with DataSpy, it supports configurations and whatnot, so you could set up a really elaborate configuration of different plots and colors, and you can load that configuration on your data. And so in addition to that, there's also in the save menu, you can save directly to MF4 now as well. That's if you wanted to open the file later in DataSpy. But this feature is designed to quickly move from decoded data in messages view into analyzed signals in DataSpy. And so, like I said, we're including this. I think 3.9.16 will be the first version of VehicleSpy that will have this included in an installer. And one difference between the version that's inside VehicleSpy and the PC version is we have this data mining library with some Python scripts that use that library to generate some summary information about lots of data. We call that IPA. And when you pay for a PC license of DataSpy, the IPA scripts on your PC. So if you're trying to make your own scripts, it's handy to be able to run them on your PC so you can use an IDE to debug your scripts and all that. So that is the one piece of DataSpy that's not included in the version that comes with VehicleSpy. And again, there's like a there's a button here that you can click on, and also in the menu here under measurement, there's DataSpy. We still have data analysis, which is our existing signal analysis tool. It's built into VehicleSpy. We're not going to get rid of it anytime soon. We're hoping to make DataSpy so much better and well integrated that we will eventually probably get rid of it. And the next steps, we're going to also use DataSpy real time with VehicleSpy and replace the signal plot feature for real-time plotting. So the idea is you would use one awesome tool for doing all of your signal plotting work, and whether it's post-process or it's real-time, so you could put all your effort into setting up your screens how you want them, and then you can just go online and look at live data, or you can go offline. You can switch back and forth between those two, and you can also go on the cloud and do analysis on the cloud as well, all with the same interface. That's the goal.